The attempt to fix a microwave. Have I ever done it? No. Am I gonna look it up like she asked me to? No. We're gonna try not to zap myself again. I shot, or, I just smoked a little bit. The breaker popped last night. I put two wires together that shouldn't be together. Hole in it. Lost the internet. It was very sad. But microwave that I'm not gonna look up. Easy, right? Handy dandy screwdriver. I'm gonna make sure this bitch is plugged in. As always. Is this where to start? I have no idea. Take this whole bitch apart. Apparently I'm supposed to change this. I don't know. Some grease cleaner. I like this better. We'll come back to this. She's out there bitching about snow and cold weather. If it snows out, it better be a different kind of snow. You know, like. Fuck. Hey, you got me. Just kidding. I don't drink Coca-Cola.
I mean, they gotta eat in the building, they have to, or it might increase. But you're saying where they make you wait, they don't have a heater there. I think you're right, I think they should have switched to days like this. Yeah, I agree.
Oh, that's nasty.
It's the riggedest school ever. They should not make you wait when it's cold like that outside. Yeah. Okay. I love you, Riley. Bye-bye.
That was the light.
They should have a heater. I said, yeah, I agree with that one. I don't think any school should make any kids stand out.
Should have taken the pole out.
Doesn't matter. They should not make it. You can't tell me that there's not somebody there. Yeah. Well, then they need, on, in the winter, in the winter time, they need to make a difference. They need to make exceptions. That's how I feel. Oh, look, I grew up in the days when we had to literally walk to school in the freezing ass cold. And they never walked.
In 20 feet of snow, by the river, uphill.
What did you say?
In 20 feet of snow, uphill, below by the river,
I'm not kidding.
3 miles.
Because
This is
Mom
what they say.
would not let us miss school for nothing. It was the only time that she was free of us, I'm sure. She was like, "Oh, please, Lord, take him to school." And Mom and Dad didn't have but one car, and Dad had to go to work, so we didn't have like the ability to be driven to school.
My school couldn't wait till I left. They're like, yay!
That's
Shit.
not true. I was picking you up and taking you. You remember that? To UT?
Yeah, I know.
Like, oh hell no. He ain't. Do you remember me finding you in the closet?
Hey, at least I finally
Oh,
came out.
I freaked out.
I'm straight, by the way.
You know, if you wouldn't have moved, I wouldn't even have known it was you. I thought it was just a pair of shoes.
I didn't want to go to school.
I know, but if you wouldn't have moved, I would.
Come on, you would have never expected to find somebody in a closet.
I was looking.
I know I shouldn't have moved. I get it. I get it. You don't have to remind me.
You moved
of my
and
mistake.
freaked the shit out of me. Because I did not expect that you were there.
Probably should have,
Well, you thought I saw you is what you thought. And I did when you moved. Yeah. No, I was looking for drugs because I watched Dr. Phil.
You were looking for my drugs? And there was none. How old was I?
You were in high school.
Oh, yeah, there was definitely drugs. I mean,
No, did you hear him? He was like, how old was I? I said, you were in high school. He said, oh yeah, there was definitely drugs. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna get off the phone because I gotta go out in the freezing cold with Sadie again. Yeah, so I'll let you go. I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye-bye. Apparently Dana tried to call me and I didn't see that she tried to call me. So she called Tara to check on me and you and whatever. And she said that she was telling Tara about Tanner and how he won't quit driving and that he's gonna get picked up and
pause.
he'll